Ang sabi sa Romans chapter 10 verse 13, "For whoever will call on the name of the Lord will be saved." Ito po ay sulat ni Pablo sa mga taga-Roma. At dito sabi niya, kapag ikaw ay nakakilala sa Diyos, ikaw ay tatawag at ikaw ay maliligtas. And ang concern dito ni Paul ay paano maliligtas kung hindi mo nakikilala kung sino ang Diyos. And so it's very important that we share the good news, the gospel to all people so that people will come to know who Jesus is. At ano ba ang magagawa ni Jesus sa buhay ng tao. And so my friends, let us always be reminded and be challenged to share the good news to all people. Because salvation comes only through Jesus Christ. And if people will come to know Jesus, then they will call upon the Lord and they will be saved. The word of the Lord for you today. God bless you.